like, forget it. I'm just driving over this snow. I'll wait till it melts. I don't care.
Really?
Yeah.
It's their driveway. What would you care what they do on their driveway?
I guess the question I associated with the neighbor. It was about us. But like I associate with my neighbor. Why do I care? I don't know. It just bothers me. He doesn't cut his grass either. We share like kind of a front lawn kind of thing.
Oh, I see.
So this is getting real personal.
Also, like he'll leave his recycling out for days.
So you've made this call on the Dougie line about you personally. It's very microcosmic.
It is. You're right. It is.
You can't just think about yourself. You have to think of others around you.
Do you?
Can I tell you what he does with the recycling?
I'd love if you
So he'll leave his recycling bin out for days.
I've done that.
But it's in the middle of his driveway. And he'll pull around it.
Oh, really? No, I won't.
Like he'll reverse, have to turn around it, and then keep going. It's just, maybe it's a thing. Maybe it's just a thing he's got.
This man needs to be arrested.
Like, you know what I mean?
You're starting to add up a whole bunch of things.
No shoveling, long grass,
yeah.
drives around his recycling bin. These are all indications there's something wrong with this fellow.
Yeah, he needs to be detained. Or at least had a good talking to. Like, I have neighbors on one side that overpile their recycling every time.
And so everything spills over
And the windiest days blows all over the driveway, all over my lawn.
That's ignorant.
And then they don't ever pick it up.
That is ignorant.
No, it will sit on, their garbage will sit on my lawn. I've left it. I'm like, let's see if maybe they just don't go in and out of their house a lot.
Yeah.
4 days later, their garbage is still on my lawn.
Like, I don't mind after, like, if there's been a super windy day, I'll find some recycling on my yard. I'll be like, okay,
Sure.
there's an excuse, I'll pick that up.
For sure.
The person who put it out doesn't know where it is anymore, right?
Every week this happens. Almost.
That's a dick move.
So now I'm just picking it up, walking 50 feet under their pride, chucking it on there.
Nice.
Like, yeah, get out of here. Use your brain, huh?